Our Excellency Deputy President, Madam Deputy President, Bishop Muturi, Senators, Governor, MPs, MCAs, all protocols observed. Gaine muega, edishio there. Thank muno sana mekuja hapa leo kufungua hii kanisa ama kufanya harambee hii kanisa, na mnakumbuka hapa Your Excellency tarehe 6 August mwaka uliopita tulikuwa hapa Kirigiti, mkakuja na president mkaomba sana mimi mkaniombea na tukaweza kupita na tukachukua presidency ya nchi hii. Kwa hivyo, Your Excellency, I know you've not been back to Kiambu, but you've been going to Kiamba, where Mheshimiwa Kawanjiku is. You've been there 5 times, but you've not been here. So I'm hoping that this is a good beginning, that now you shall be coming here. Bishop Muturi, we are very impressed personally that you've been able to do such a magnificent project. And I was wondering, Bishop, whether you have a doctorate in management, because your timelines, your organization to put up this great sanctuary is exemplary. And I think all of you here should learn from Bishop Muturi. And this should be taken as a landmark so that other bishops, and I know, Bishop, you say there are 40, can learn from you. So I would like for all of you to clap for our bishop. Your Excellency, you know, as I said, you've not been here, but I would like to tell you that the people of Kiambu want a secondary school here in Kirigiti. We have identified 11 acres, in fact 11.5 acres, and we've spoken to CS Hinga, and he has told us that with your approval, we shall be building a primary school here in Kirigiti together with affordable housing. And Niguo Horosh Yomate, I was recommending to me te Rigiji Primary School. Your Excellency, we are also planning to build a Kenya Medical Training College here in Kist. And I would like to commend the chairman, the board of trustees of Kist, Mr. Madhu. Is Mr. Madhu here? The chairman. Is he here? Yes, I can see Mr. Madhu is here. Your Excellency, this board of trustees have held that land in trust. There was 200 acres. Last year, I mean, before we came in, 70 acres was given to the German government to build a mechatronics college. We now have 130 acres. And if it was not for this board of trustees, that land would be gone by now. But because of them holding on to that land, and you know in Kiambu, any land that is free, normally you know what happens. So we are asking for 10 acres so that we can build a Kenya Medical Training College. And I know the bishop here, he has been talking to me about it, and I've told him, and you know he's the patron of that place. So we're asking for 10 acres. And then we're also asking that they put a police post there at Kist, because we've also agreed with Mr. Hinga, CS Hinga, to put 1,000 houses in the affordable housing for students over there. We're also asking Your Excellency for a Tibet College in Tinganga. And I know through NGCDF, we shall be putting 10 million, and I know the government, through your assistant, shall give another 10 million, so that we shall have 20 acres to do that Tibet. Your Excellency, I would like to commend you and say thank you very much. You know, Thedegwa, we've built Tumaeka Lami Uko. We've done one kilometer, and we shall be doing another 3 kilometers with your help, Your Excellency. Also, I would like to say thank you for the Kayaba road to Mushada, which is also being tarmacked. It's through our government, Your Excellency. I'd like to say thank you. So, Excellency, as I stand here, I would like to ask you, Your Excellency, to like me, like you like Kawanjiku, so that you can come here often. And Your Excellency, you know when you come. Your Excellency, you know when you come with goodies. And if you come often, we shall see Kiambu in my constituency here developing further. So with those few remarks, I would like to say, Bishop, thank you very much. And I would like to ask our majority leader, my friend, my mentor. And I would like to say, if it was not for this, he's my younger brother, Kimani Ichung'wah. If it was not for you, I don't think I would be standing here as an MP of Kiambu. He's been advising me, and whenever I run into problems, being a mono in Parliament, I always go and stay in his office and he advises me what to do. So, Mheshimiwa Kimani, I really appreciate your mentorship for me. Thank you very much. So I think you'll come and introduce. There are many, many senators that I do not know. They're in the upper house. But the other Mheshimiwas, I see Kimani there. He did a very good thing on the finance bill. Thank you very much. This is Kiambu. So whenever the people see me in Parliament, they say, wewe ndio ulitoa ule. Nasema ni mimi. Na ndio huu hapa Kiambu, hapa ni pahali pazuri. Pahali hapa, hii ndio bedroom ya Nairobi. Kwa hivyo, all of you, Mheshimiwas, Senators, you are very welcome.
Asante Mheshimiwa Mashua, tumpigie Mheshimiwa makofi. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, and your spouse, and our preacher this morning, Your Excellency Dorcas Rigathi, our Bishop, clergy, and the House of the Lord, good morning, or rather afternoon now. Good afternoon. Bishop, as you have kindly requested me, mine will be very quick, just to introduce all the members of Parliament and Senate who have accompanied